Hello again with another video. Today we're sketching, and actually it's one of the things that we really need to focus on in drawing is sketching a lot and drawing so many things. Whatever you see, it's to strengthen your observation skills and making your hands stronger. So I know it's a lot of people may, dislike finding out or seeing their mistakes when it happens. But in reality is you have to have mistakes when you do drawings. And as you see here, I really don't care how this is going to be. I'm just practicing. And you just need to get any sketchbook you find. And regular charcoal or a graphite pencil here. I'm going to use some of the pastels to add some colors probably, but the point is not to fear the mistakes that you're seeing. And that's very important because your mistakes is actually what makes you better at drawing. Without finding out that, it's going to be a problem for you to improve anything. And I just want to give you a note regarding the practice. So drawing and art in general does not require you to have a specific time until you get a specific level. You don't, especially learning and drawing. It's going to be a life journey for you. And there's no specific date or 3 years and you'll be okay, or you'll be good, or 4 years or 3 months, or it doesn't matter. It's going to go with you. This practice, you carry it with you all the time. So just to give you some information regarding, how to be relaxed and just keep drawing. Let me show you the mistake that we could come across, or we do while we draw. It's a lot of mistakes, but we have to continue because it's a very important steps towards a fine aesthetics. But it's actually, it will help you improve how you look into things and how your hand apply that on a paper. You see here, I don't care really. It's a sketchbook, so you need to sketch a lot. Good, bad, it doesn't matter. You have to learn how to accept the mistake you have in a drawing that you don't like to see. And I agree with you. That's kind of be a very tough thing to surpass. But you have to learn to accept it and move on to practice more. And in that way, you're actually developing more skills. A lot of people don't even want to show their sketchbooks, and that's can be an issue. So my advice to you is just continue with the drawing and the practice. And it's very okay to be bad at certain things in the beginning. That's expected. This is just practice. So it's not going to go to the museum. Drawing is super important. It goes into the process of designing anything. And a lot of people may say, okay, it is very hard, but how about using another tools to simplify it? Which is fine, but again, if you use a projector, for example, that projector will make things easy for you to draw it. But if somebody asks you to draw certain things and you put it together in one piece or one painting, then we have a problem here, because you didn't develop the skills, you relied on other tools to make it easy for you. It's essential in a way that goes into many objects that's in designing the process. It's like cars, houses, any products that you see on the shelf in the store. It's all came across a designing process somewhere, and that design started with the drawing. Now it doesn't matter if it was on a paper or it was on a digital platform. Still, do you see this? Do I care about it? No. You can refine things if you spend more time for it, but the idea here is just to keep moving.